Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Welcome to you all in the virtual learning system, session 2020, Pakistan International School, Taif. Dear student, we will continue chapter number 8. This is grade 9. Subject Geography of Pakistan in lieu of Urdu. Chapter number 8, Cities and Villages. It is 11th lecture. I am your subject teacher, Muhammad Yunus. Dear students, in the previous lectures, you have discussed about three major cities of Pakistan: Islamabad, Karachi, and Peshawar. Today, we will study about Lahore. Lahore is the oldest city of Pakistan. You can see the picture on the screen. It is the symbol of Lahore. It is Minar-e-Pakistan. Minar-e-Pakistan is a national monument located in Lahore, Pakistan. The tower was built between 1960 and 1968 on the site where the All India Muslim League passed the resolution that was known as Lahore Resolution on 23rd March 1940 in Minto Park, Lahore. This Minto Park nowadays is known as Iqbal Park. Its height is 70 meters. Dear students, Lahore is the capital of Pakistani province of Punjab and is the country's second largest city after Karachi, as well as the 18th largest city proper in the world. Lahore is situated on the left bank of river Ravi. It has been cultural and educational center of the Punjab since the Mughal time. Lahore is a great seat of learning. It is the city of colleges, universities, libraries, research centers, and a place of publication of a number of major national daily newspapers. It is well connected with all the major cities of Pakistan by rail, road, and air, forming the heart of Pakistan. The old city was surrounded by a 30-foot wall having 13 historical gates. Its area is 1,772 kilometers square. Its population was 850,000 according to the census 1951, 5 million according to the census 1998, and according to the census 2017, the population was 11.13. Its present population is about 1200, 12.64 million. Dear students, Lahore spread very rapidly. New colonies of the Lahore are Model Town, Gulbarg, Shadman, Samnabad, Faisal Town, Muslim Town, Iqbal Town, Gulshan Ravi. These are the different areas of Lahore. Main historical buildings in Lahore. There are many historical buildings in Lahore like Jahangir's Mausoleum, Noor Jahan's Mausoleum, Asif Jahan's Mausoleum, the Lahore Fort, the Badshahi Mosque, the Masjid Wazir Khan, Chaburji, the Islamic Summit Minar, Minar-e-Pakistan, Shalimar Garden. These buildings are very impressive. In fact, it is the city of old and new buildings. The Islamic Summit Minar in front of Punjab Assembly Chambers and Minar-e-Pakistan in Iqbal Park near Badshahi Mosque. Lahore is a city of gardens also. The historical Shalimar Garden on Grand Trunk Road are really impressive garden built by the Mughal king Shah Jahan. Baghe-Jana near the Governor House is of the most modern type. Its botanical garden contains a zoo, a mosque, and a modern library. That library is known as Quaid-e-Azam Library. Dear students, here are some pictures of historical buildings. Masjid Wazir Khan, Lahore Museum, Badshahi Mosque, Lahore Fort, Shalimar Garden, Tomb of Jahangir. Dear students, all these buildings are very old. Lahore is a great center of commerce. It is the city of many markets. Lahore is also a big industrial city. Pakistan Railways headquarters and loco and carriage workshops are located here. Chief products of Lahore Industries. Being an industrial city, the products are produced here are leather goods, iron and steel, rubber goods, chemicals, pharmaceuticals, cotton textile, and hosiery. Dear student, now we will study about Quetta. Quetta is also Pakistan's important city and it is the capital of the biggest province of Pakistan, Balochistan. This is a very important and historical building that is known as Residency of Quaid-e-Azam. It is located in Ziyarat near Quetta. Quaid-e-Azam Residency, also known as Ziyarat Residency, is located in Ziyarat, Balochistan, Pakistan. It's where Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah spent the last 2 months and 10 days of his life. It is the most famous landmark of the city, constructed in 1892 during the British Raj. The building is a wooden structure It is declared a heritage site and is of great architectural importance. Dear students, we will learn more about Ziyarat. It's an historical place. Ziyarat is the most beautiful district of Balochistan. It is 130 kilometers away from Quetta city, where thousands of people come for picnic, tourism, and travel. There are many reasons which attract the people to visit to Ziyarat, like Jinnah's residency is situated in Ziyarat. Hundreds of people come from all over Pakistan to see his memories. Ziyarat is also very famous because it has world's second largest forest of juniper trees. Those trees are about 7,000 years old and also famous due to snowfall in winter season. A lot of tourists came to Ziyarat and enjoy its snowfall. Ziyarat has highest mountain of Balochistan, so hill hikers and adventure lovers climbs the mountain time by time. In addition, it is good place because it has good hotels, restaurants, and you can get every type of thing in this small valley. Dear students, Quetta is the provincial capital and the largest city of Balochistan. It is also the 10th largest city of Pakistan. It was largely destroyed in the 1935 Quetta earthquake, but was rebuilt and has a population of about 1 million according to the census of 2017, which was 286,000 in 1981 and 560,306 in 1998. Quetta is at an average elevation of 1,678 meters above sea level, making it Pakistan's only high altitude major city. The city is known as the fruit garden of Pakistan due to the numerous fruit orchards in and around it and the large variety of fruits and dried fruits products produced there. Dear students, Quetta is located at very strategic position at the mouth of the historic Bolan Pass in northern Balochistan near the Pakistan-Afghanistan border and the road across to Kandahar. Quetta is a trade and communication center between the two countries. The Bolan Pass route was once one of the major gateways from Central Asia to South Asia. Quetta played an important role military for the Pakistan Armed Forces in the Afghanistan conflict. Quetta is situated about 857 kilometers from Karachi and 1163 from Lahore. It is linked with Karachi, Multan, Lahore by road, rail, and air. Quetta is basically a hill station. It has a fine and healthy climate. Dear students, the Ark Valley, it is also a very important place. The Ark Valley is known for its fruit orchards, scenic beauty, and greenery. Peaches, grapes, melons, pomegranates, and fruits grow and marketed in Quetta. Quetta has developed a good fruit juice canning industry. It is an outlet for goods imported from Afghanistan and Iran, and those goods are hand woven woolen clothes, sheepskin coats, carpets, and many other things. Due to Quetta has the learning center, there are some educational institutions in Quetta which are very important. Geological Institute, which takes the activities about the geography of Pakistan. Military Staff College, where the military officer get training and education. Colleges of the Mineral Technology, mineral technology education is imparted here. Geological Survey Institute of Pakistan. Dear student, here are some important buildings in Quetta. Bolan Pass, Military Staff College, Ark Valley, University of Quetta. Dear students, we finished this chapter also. Here is homework for you. Short question answer. You will write the answer of these short questions on your notebook. Question number 1. What is the location of Karachi? Question number 2. Name 3 industrial towns around Karachi. List 3 important buildings in Karachi. Name 3 historical buildings in Peshawar. And list 3 research centers in Peshawar. Dear students, thank you. Good luck. I wish you all the best in your forthcoming examination.